Most of the life insurance services staff are seasoned professionals, and we have learned over many years that agents and producers all have their own way of getting their business done. For many, it is simply more preferable to pick up the phone and call one of us for a term or universal life illustration, a new business form, a service form for an existing client, or any number of other needs, and we love it. We will always be available to assist you by phone or simply the click of an email. But especially in today's very high-tech savvy and competitive market, many agents want the capacity to access information, forms, and even illustrations so that they can play around with the numbers in their own time or in the convenience of their office away from the office. For this reason, LIS has created the Tools tab on our website. This portal allows our agents to create or access any type of information they could want without even contacting their life insurance services representative. And many producers want the option of pulling this information down themselves or accessing solutions and forms right on the spot if they are with a client. Don't forget, we are more than willing to help or guide you to whatever you need. But just in case you want to do it yourself, LIS's Tools offers you the instant access you want for term quotes, other quotes, forms, newsletter archives, advanced sales concepts, and broker-dealer information. Just click below to discover these possibilities for yourself.